Hello. Today I want to talk about the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Every day is different, and each one has something special. Monday is the first day of the week for many people. It is the start of work and school. Some people feel tired on Monday because the weekend is over. I wake up early, eat breakfast, and go to school. I try to start the week with energy and a good attitude. Tuesday is the second day of the week. It is usually a busy day. I continue my schoolwork and try to focus. On Tuesday afternoons, I do my homework and read a book. It is not a very exciting day, but I always try to learn something new. Wednesday is the middle of the week. Some people call it hump day, because we are in the middle of the work or school week. On Wednesdays, I feel more relaxed because the weekend is getting closer. I usually study in the morning and help my mom in the afternoon. Thursday is almost the end of the week. I still go to school, but I also start thinking about the weekend. Sometimes I feel a little tired on Thursday, but I do my best. In the evening, I watch a movie or listen to music to relax. Friday is a happy day. It is the last day of school or work for many people. After school, I feel free and excited. I talk to my friends, play games, or go for a walk. At night, my family eats dinner together, and we talk about our week. Saturday is my favorite day. I don't go to school, so I sleep a little more. In the morning, I help clean the house or go shopping with my parents. In the afternoon, I watch TV, play outside, or visit my grandparents. It is a fun and relaxing day. Sunday is a quiet day. My family stays at home or goes to church. We eat lunch together and rest in the afternoon. Sometimes we go to the park or watch a movie. At night, I get ready for Monday. I check my backpack, my notebooks, and go to bed early. Every day of the week has its own rhythm. Some days are busy, others are calm. Some are for work, and some are for rest. It is important to use our time well and enjoy each day. Thank you for listening to my story about the days of the week.